How you doing out there? First of all, my name is Kenneth Bird. I'm the creator of Crystal Age Technology Screens using smart technology gain. If you notice, mostly all my videos are done in well-lit environments. I don't hide my screens from any form of ambient light whatsoever. Now, like I said, I've seen many scenarios. I've seen little lights peppered out throughout the environment. I've seen demonstrations where they'll open up the door, they'll show light coming in, but where the screen is sitting, the screen will be sitting right here. So your screen will be sitting here, and then when they open up the door, the light will hit here. It will have nothing to do with the screen behind the door. So as I said before, in all my demonstrations, I do fully lit environments. Every once in a while I might do a dark environment, but I always do majority of my videos are fully lit environments to show you exactly that you don't have to have your screen in a dark environment all the time. Now, like I said, give or take, you're going to watch some movies here and there. If you have a TV, you turn on all the lights when you're watching your TV. If you're watching a movie, you want that whole movie theater effect. But when you come downstairs and you watch cartoons or TV shows or sports or whatever it may be, you have your lights on in your environment. Now, if you're on the TV, come on, you can actually agree with me that you have your lights on in your environment. It's not dark. You don't have to run around turning out all the lights. You don't have to shut your blinds. You don't have to go through any of that nonsense. Buying curtains are going to block out all the light because it's a TV. Now, with a projection screen, one of the things you're going to fear is ambient light. This ambient light is going to affect your picture quality. It's going to affect everything, and that's one of the things a lot of people worry about. Well, in our demonstrations, we're not going to show you a demonstration of the screen in darkness because that's going to put it in your head. That's where I have to be. With some of the technology out there that you see, the only way the screen will look well, the only way the screen has its best points, listen to me, best points, is when the lights are off. That is a huge red flag. Our screens look incredible with the lights on. How much more would they look incredible with them off? Alright, so we're going to do this demonstration. I want you to look around at my environment. I want you to see how much light. There's light. These are the fluorescent lights that hit my screen every day. You look at my living room. Come down here a minute on my squeaky floors. I want you to come over here and look at my window. My blinds are fully extended because I want you to be able to see objects on the other end. I want you to see I have plenty of light coming in. This is why I turn off the lights, because I want you to see how much window light is hitting the screen. This is what I'm showing you. Now, it's funny because we're the only ones that do these demonstrations. We'll show you exactly how much physical light is coming from the window and hitting the screen. I'll turn my lights on so you can see the condensed lighting hitting the screen. Look at my environment, nice and bright. That'd be brighter if I had the upstairs light on, but I don't. So it doesn't make a difference at all because that has nothing to do with my screen whatsoever. But this shows you how much light hits the screen. So, as I said in my demonstrations, truly what you see is what you get. Alright, so our projector, we're using a long throw because I like to do the distance when we're doing this. We're doing it at 14 feet back because that's how wide my living room is. Actually, the length of my living room right there. And we're going to take this off our projector right there that's blocking my projector. So you can't see the image right away because I like to show you what the screen looks like, how much physical light is hitting the screen. Now I can sit here and let window light come in, fill up my environment, make it look realistic, make it look alive, not dark, not dim, not shadowy like. If I had to go through that, honestly, seriously, I'd be depressed all day, I really would. I mean, to each its own. If you got your own dedicated movie theater, you got your own dedicated room or whatever it may be, I mean, of course you're going to have it dark in there because I guarantee you're not going to treat your dedicated room, your dedicated movie room that you have for your screen that's dark, would you treat your living room the same way? Would you have your living room dark 24/7 just to accommodate your projector? I guarantee you, bar none, that you probably have a regular TV in your living room, and in your dedicated theater room, you have a projection screen. Well, guess what? You can do both. Alright, so let's begin. This is an eye-opener, just to let you know that, we do these demonstrations with the lights on. Windows open, there's light cascading in right on the screen from the window. And keep in mind, when you have a window open with light coming in, there is no way to control that. Only way you can control that is you shut your blinds or you put them on a slant. But when you open them up, whatever's coming in is going to come in. Now, this is my door. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to open up my door. Now mind you, when I open up my door, you'll notice that the light from the door will hit the screen, not being back. My screen's on the back. So there's my door opened up. And I can sit here and open it all the way up. Right there, you see it's all the way up. See the light that's coming in from my door? Look at my screen. If you notice, my screen is not here behind the door. It's right there. And look at my picture quality. Let me get up here in the staircase. I want you to see what I'm seeing. So now you can have that giant screen, that huge movie experience in your home. You could treat your projection screen like your TV. Don't have to have a high power projector to do it. And it's going to look absolutely fantastic. Doing this at 14 feet back. Well, I'm Kenneth Burr from Crystal Edge Technology Screens using smart technology gain, showing you how it's done. Thank you all for your time.